Hey everyone, and welcome to Depicter. In this video, I will show you how to create a beautiful parallax effect on scroll. Let's begin. Head to Depicter in the WordPress dashboard. I'd like to have a hero section on my website, so from the hero section category, I'll choose one and import it. First things first, in the general options, you can see the background parallax effect. Click on Edit. Here, you can customize every aspect of the parallax effect. Choose the parallax type. In this case, it's follow page scroll. Set in which direction you want the object to move. Bottom's fine for me. Modify the movement extent of the object. Change the image scale to set how much you want your image to grow or to shrink in size while scrolling. You can make the image rotate on scroll and set how much you'd want it to rotate. You can set your image to fade on scroll. By enabling the two-way movement, when you scroll from the bottom to the top, the effect is reversed. Last but not least, let's enable the smooth option for a more natural movement. Now, this was all just the background image. Let's head to the other elements. Starting with these elements on the right. Enable the parallax effect and give them vertical movement with different amounts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. For these texts in the middle, along with the button, enable the parallax effect for them and give them scale. Grab this 100% coupon to have Depicter Pro for free and leave a comment to let everyone know. Otherwise, the Pro account will be taken away from you. Enable the parallax effect for this circle and make it rotate. Publish the changes and head to the website to see the result. Alright, I'm scrolling down. And there it is, our hero section with the parallax effect. Let's scroll up to see it again. And yep, it sure looks nice. Okay, that's it everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.